Hey there, how's it going? Your home sold guaranteed. I like that. So coming up on the 9th and the 11th of July, I'm doing a team leader in OSA workshop. Okay, team leader in OSA workshop. We're going to live stream it to all of the Platinum members. Okay, and so I've posted it on the Platinum Closed Group Facebook page. So I'm going to be meeting with all of the agents here in Metro Atlanta that are part of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. They're all Platinum members. So they're going to be in the room, but we're going to broadcast it live. So on the first day, the 9th, when we get started that morning, come on and walk with me. We're going to start with working with sellers, okay? And because that was something that Platinum members said they wanted more work with. Now, look, if you haven't been to, any of our OSA workshops, it's a little bit of a misnomer saying OSA workshop, because it's not just for outside sales agents. It really has everything to do with, okay, what happens? I got a prospect now, what do I do? Getting that prospect converted to a client and then getting them to become lifetime clients. That's what the workshops are. These all started back when, this was Craig's idea, by the way. So it was many years ago. He said, look, since you're training your team, your agents, on the system and how it works, why don't you invite Platinum members to be a part of that? And it was a brilliant idea, so we started these workshops, and it's the most popular training that we've done. I get requests for it every week. I could go in right now and show you some emails from many of you watching the video saying, hey, when's the next OSA workshop? When's the next OSA workshop? So I'm calling it a Team Leader OSA workshop. Team Leader OSA workshop. Working with sellers, okay, is the 9th. And then on the 11th, we're going to work with buyers, okay? We're going to start in the morning. I'm going to go all the way through about 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. It's posted on the Platinum Facebook page. And again, I'm going to be live with the studio audience of all of our amazing agents that are in the Metro Atlanta area. So it's going to be good. So there you go. So make sure you had that in the books, okay? And you're ready for that. Be prepared for it. It's going to be 2 amazing days. Got to get into a lot of social media content and being able to leverage the leads that you're getting, even your customers, to raise the satisfaction level, working with buyers and working with sellers. So if you want to close more houses, this is exactly what this workshop is all about. Okay, good. So we'll look forward to sharing with you more when I see you on the 9th and when I see you on the 11th. 9th working with sellers, the 11th working with buyers. Okay, got it? Good. Go serve big.